what we are doing as a country is through private and public sector. We have come together to address the shortage of milk, which is a major constraint in the dairy sector. And this is mainly coming from the fact that our cost of production is very high. And this is mainly from feed, which constitutes about 70% of cost of production. So ways to address low milk production is we are capacitating farmers through schemes, government schemes, presidential input scheme, fodder and silage scheme, which is providing inputs to farmers to grow feed, and then that will reduce the cost of production. We have also got the farmers as well who also need to be capacitated so that they produce efficiently, because that's also another factor where we have to produce efficiently and increase our production and reduce the cost of milk in the country.
Okay, so World Milk Day means a lot to us as a company, because without milk there is no care for loss. All of our products are quality dairy products, from the cheeses, the premium ice cream, the yogurt, the dairy snack, the dairy fruit blend. We have cream cheese also, we've got Osego also. So without milk there is no care for loss.
Agricultural development programs such as these that promote nutrition, support livelihood, and foster sustainable food systems. This year's theme highlights how dairy contributes to stronger communities, healthier lives, and a more sustainable future. President Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa has consistently emphasized the importance of revitalizing Zimbabwe's dairy sector as a cornerstone of the nation's agricultural and economic development. His administration has launched several initiatives aimed at increasing milk production, enhancing dairy infrastructure, and fostering partnerships to achieve self-sufficiency and reduce reliance on imports. The President is popular for calling for private sector participation and bridging the gap between milk production and demand. The Command Livestock Program, which led to distribution of heifers to farmers, is his brainchild. Through the government, Zimbabwe has partnered with Belarus, a leading dairy producer, to enhance its dairy industry. This collaboration aligns with President Mnangagwa's Zimbabwe is open for business mantra and aims to leverage Belarusian technology and expertise in advancing our milk-related value chain. Additionally, the Presidential Fodder and Youth Livestock Scheme was launched to empower farmers to produce more milk, thereby contributing to the growth of the national dairy herd. Further, the President emphasizes the role of institutions of higher learning in advancing agricultural innovation and development of value-added dairy products. The sector's growth trajectory is expected to continue from the combined efforts of government and private sector, which is expected to see an increase in milk production of 15% in 2025 from the previous year's production figure of 111 million liters. As we gather to celebrate the power of dairy, we recognize the vital role it plays in delivering quality nutrition to nourish the world. With our 6 billion people worldwide consuming milk and dairy, it is clear that this nutritious beverage is an integral part of balanced diet across the globe.
We expect more players to come into dairy farming. At the moment we have less than 200 pig farmers, and we want to encourage more new farmers to also to do it more efficiently, so that we get a higher yield per cow per day, because currently we are running with about 80 liters per cow per day, but we can go over 20 liters per cow per day.
They are